Breaking news from the UK. A 17-year-old schoolgirl was walking home when she was attacked from behind. A 30-year-old man slashed her in the back of the neck. And the whole incident is circulating online in the UK. The man has now been charged with attempted, and this follows a spate of high profile attacks in the UK circulating online in the last week. Not only is the video extremely difficult to watch, but it is also completely random in nature. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Unfortunately, the UK has seen very similar videos like this circulating online over the past week. We will wait for further updates from the UK government.